This is NOAA weather radio station WXK-85 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Due to the threat of severe weather today, person in this area should charge into different station if it goes off the air. Tornado emergency for downtown Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for eastern Canadian County, central Oklahoma, western Oklahoma County, central Oklahoma, extreme northwest Cleveland County, central Oklahoma until 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Manuel areas moving east at 38 miles per hour. Downtown Oklahoma City in danger. Tornado emergency for downtown Oklahoma City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by emergency management. Scoured roadway air being reported this tornado as it rips through the area. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Oklahoma State University, Oklahoma City, West Lawn Gardens, downtown Oklahoma City, Bricktown, John F. Kennedy, Culbertson, East Highland, Carverdale, Edwards Community, Ridgecrest, Forest Rock, Manor Estates, and Spencer. This includes following highways: Interstate 35 between mile 117 and 146, Interstate 40 between miles markers 128 and 171, Interstate 44 between markers 109 and 152. This include Oklahoma State Fairgrounds. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in vehicles. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or near the tornado. Take cover now. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Tornado emergency for downtown Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service